Okay, so having unstoppable fun is what you're going to get with these reusable splash balls, which are designed to be used over and over again in a cost-effective and eco-friendly manner. They're made from durable and high-quality materials to withstand multiple throws and catches, and they dry pretty quickly. So unlike traditional water balloons that burst upon impact, each of these splash balls are designed with a magnetic self-sealing closure system, which I find quite cool because then it makes it easy to fill the ball. All you have to do is submerge it into water and then the magnets inside will automatically snap shut, as you can see here, sealing the ball and preventing any leaks, which means it's ready for quick and easy fun. So because of all of the materials that it's made of, I think this is really great for all ages. Kids can enjoy outdoor play without the risk of, regular balloons actually bursting on them. So you can have water fights, play a game of catch, or if you just want to simply cool down on a hot day. I think these splash balls are perfect summer must-have.